Have you ever wondered about what? Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT answers questions or how self-driving cars see the road? That's actually artificial intelligence. Hi everyone, my name is Nidhi and I am from Bangalore, and in this video I will show you how you can become an AI engineer step by step. Okay, so part 1, what does an AI engineer do? Okay, so AI engineer build a system that can think, learn, and make decisions. Their main work their main work includes collecting and preparing the data, training AI and machine learning models, testing and improving the accuracies, and deploying AI into real applications. AI engineer work on chatbot, recommendation system, face recognition system, and many more. AI engineer work on chatbot, recommendation system, face recognition, and many more. So, what kind of skill you need to become an AI engineer? Skill you need to become an AI engineer. Programming is skill. Okay, so first skill is what? First, you need learn programming, or you can say you need programming skill. That is most important thing is most important skill is Python. Python is the most important language for AI. You should learn basic like variables, loops, function, and libraries. Guys, if you don't know Python, you can go in my YouTube channel, that is Code Nidhi. Okay, channel name is Code Nidhi. Okay, and here you find out Python Bootcamp series. Okay, this is the playlist Python Bootcamp series. I already upload lots of video for Python. Okay, you can go and watch there if you don't know Python. So first you want to learn. First you need to learn these skills. Okay, programming skills. So first is Python. Okay, so here you can see you need programming skill here. So first you need to programming skill, that is Python is the most important language for AI. You should learn basic like variables, loop, function and libraries. Okay, after this we move here in step 2, that is mathematics basics. You don't need advanced math, but you must understand linear algebra, probability. Okay, here probability and basic statistics. These help you to understand how AI model works. Okay, and third is machine learning. So in machine learning, teach computer to learn from data. Machine learning teach computer to learn from the data. So you should understand supervised machine learning. What is supervised machine learning? What is under unsupervised machine learning? Model training and evolution. In machine learning, you need to learn supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and model train and evolution. Okay, and fourth point is deep learning. Here in deep learning, this is real AI. This is where real AI start in deep learning and neural networks. Okay, so you will learn about neural network, CNN for images, RNN and transformer for text and speech. Here CNN for classification, RNN for text and speech. Okay, and after this tools and framework. Here fifth point, so AI engineer use tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn and cloud platform like AWS and Google Cloud. Here you can see part 3 step by step roadmap. Okay, so i mean first step, that learn the Python and math in 1 to 2 months. Learn Python and math. Start with Python programming, basic math concept. Practice daily with a small program. Okay. Second stage, that is learn machine learning into 3 to 4 months. In third month or 4 month, you can learn machine learning. Okay. So here, learn machine learning algorithm and apply them to the real data set. Okay, and third step is deep learning. In fifth to 6 month, you learn deep learning. Okay, so move. build a simple neural network and image classification. Okay, in month 7 and 8 month, 6th, 7th and 8th month, build AI project. Okay, this one build AI project like chatbot, image classification, recommendation system. Okay, and show your work on GitHub or LinkedIn. Okay, or if you have Kaggle, then you can also show there. Okay, and first step, that is deploy and apply. Fifth step, that is deploy and apply. So learn how to deploy model and apply for job. Create a strong resume and portfolio. Okay, and here we can say this is the step by step roadmap. Now we are going to move here how to stand out as an AI engineer. To stand out, build a real world project. Participate in Kaggle competition. Write a blog about your projects. Stay active on LinkedIn and GitHub. So now I'm going to talk about some common question. Okay, so do I need a degree for become AI engineer? Yes, a degree helps, but skill and project matter more. Okay, and second question is how long does it take? Around 8 to 12 month with consist practice. Okay, after this you will become AI engineer. Can beginner become AI engineer? This is third question. Can beginner become AI engineer? Yes, with practice. Okay, and patience and practical and consistency, you will definitely become AI engineer if you are experienced person or if you are non-experienced person. If you are beginner, then you will definitely become AI engineer with practice. Okay, patience and consistency. Okay, so now I'm going to summarize this. Learn Python, understand machine learning, build project. Okay, and keep learning. AI is the future and you can be the part of it. If you like my video, hit like, subscribe and comments your question below. I will reply you and see you in next video. Okay. Bye bye.